Welcome to another tutorial on AutoCAD. In this tutorial I want to talk about layers. Layers is a very important feature of AutoCAD. If you go to Home tab and then this pan, you see layers. You can select different layers which I've already created. So I want to create a new layer. What I can do is to go and select on layer properties. Then this opens up the layer properties. Then you need to click on create a new layer, then give it a name. I call it no plot, for example. Then you can adjust the other properties of that layer. For example, in the no plot, I don't want it to be plotted, so I say that layer is already been there created, so I call it no plot 1. Press enter. Once that's done, then you can just turn off, for example, the plot. You can lock it, you can freeze it, turn it on and off, change the line whether hidden or continuous, or you can load a different type of line from this list or another file, whatever. You can set the transparency, and you can write a description and the weight of the line. Once you're happy with it, you can just select the layer property again. It will close and then it will appear here, no plot 1. And then if you draw something, let's say a square, here like that, it creates in that layer no plot 1. If you have any other questions about plots, about layers, ask that in the comments below, and please don't forget to watch my other videos in this series of AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching.